Good morning, good morning. A lovely Sunday it is to you guys. Yeah, it's that time of the week again, guys, where I actually do some preparation for the upcoming week. Yeah, it's nothing new. It's nothing new to you guys, I'm sure by now. If you have been following me, you will know that every Sunday, this is what I do every single Sunday. So I actually like to share how I'm viewing the market before the market actually opens on Monday. So I do this every single week. So otherwise, yeah, please guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and then also turn the notification bell so that at least every time when we have something like this or something different, you know, at least you'll be the first ones to know, and then you will actually be the first ones to actually benefit from them. Okay, guys, yeah, let me not waste time and just start right away. Let me just start right away. And I think by now you also know that I actually normally check only five pairs. Uh, but I always advise everyone that you actually need only one pair to trade. So giving you five is just so that at least maybe if you want something different, then you will be able to pick. So from this five, you only need to choose one. You know, you only need to choose one, focus, and then yeah, you will see that trading is indeed easy. Okay, guys, I'm starting now. We're starting. We're gonna start with the Euro USD. So I'm currently in the weekly time frame, and I've been speaking about this for quite some time now that the trend is still down. Okay, for us to change the trend in this weekly time frame, the market must break this level here, which yeah, it's quite a journey from where the market is now. So it's gonna take time for that to happen, if it is to happen. All right. So currently we're still in the downtrend in the weekly. Fine. However, for the past 2 weeks, if you check here, first of all, this week it showed some rejection. This is the week before the last. And then during last week, as you can see, we had an indecision candlestick. To be honest with you, after this rejection candle, I personally thought the market wants to drop maybe to this low point. Is that's what I was anticipating. But unfortunately, the market didn't do that. It gave us an indecision candlestick, which means in this coming week, market would likely go up or down. So the question now is, will it go down or will it go up? So we're gonna go to the lower time frame and see which direction it's more likely gonna go to. All right. So let's go to the lower time frame, the daily time frame. With the daily time frame, I remember after seeing this momentum here, this great bullish, this strong bullish candlestick, I personally thought the market the next day will just give us another strong bullish candlestick, but it didn't do that. Okay, so let us go to the H4, which is my favorite time frame, by the way. In the H4 time frame, what I saw is that the market was coming down here, as you can see. But right here, we had, first of all, we had this range. The market was actually ranging here at the bottom, with the top part being here and the bottom part being this level here. So here the market was ranging. All right. So what I was waiting for, I remember, I think it was Tuesday, I even gave up this potential trade idea that I need to see the market break this level, come retest it, and then goes up. Because I was feeling like, yes, it might go up. And yes, the market went up strongly, as you can see. It went up strongly. Then after that, it started giving us some rejections. Then it drops. So overall, in short, now I am in a buy side. Yeah, buy bias. Yeah. Okay. So I'm actually gonna be thinking about buying in the Euro USD. Why? Because of this thing which actually happened, and I can see that this one it's more like a correction. Yeah, as you can see, this is a strong move up. So we are likely correcting now so that we can continue going up. And the other reason why I'm also thinking that This might be a correction for us to go up. First of all, if we are going up, if we do get a setup to go up, my first take profit will be somewhere here, all right, and then the second one will be at the top. So to be the first one, and then the second one will be at the top. That's if indeed I get a setup of buying. Okay, so as I was saying, that the other thing which is giving me this confidence that it looks like the market will go up is because of the DXY. Okay, I didn't include it here. Thinking next week, yeah, I will start to also include it so that at least you see what I'm talking about. So the DXY is also supporting this. It's supporting the weakness of the dollar at the current moment. Yeah. So it's not in the higher time frame, obvious, but in the H4, yes, we can see that slowly the dollar is starting to lose strength. Yes, anything can happen. Market can still, it can still start by just dropping, and then if that happens, then I'm changing my bias to sell again. But for now, I'm thinking about buying. In terms of the key levels, where can we buy if maybe we do, if maybe this market do wants to actually go up? All right, let's see. Okay, here's a nice key level right here, right here, right here. This is the key level. So that's the level that I will actually look out for. This one. Okay, yeah, it's clear in the H1 time frame. Yeah. So basically, this is the level that I'm gonna be looking out for. I'll prefer the market to first tap inside this level before it actually give me a buy setup. So if I get a buy setup inside here, I'll be more than happy to take that trade as a buy. Okay, that's it with the Euro USD. If that doesn't happen, I will wait and see if maybe the market can break this low point, which now will start giving me indications of selling. Then that's the only time I will think of selling. All right, we are done with the Euro USD. Let's go to the AUD CAD. With the AUD CAD, if you check in the weekly time frame, last week finished strongly bearish. So the question is it gonna continue going down, or maybe it's ready for retracement? First of all, if it's ready for retracement, I would like for it to come somewhere around this level. Why? Because this level was a support. As you can see, it got broken, so it's likely going to be retested and act as a resistance. Then the market drops. So if I am going to take any counter trade, that's if the market will want to reverse maybe this week. My take profit, I will take it around this level. Otherwise, let's go to the lower time frame and see what is going on. All right. In the daily time frame, as you can see, we had a couple of days where the market, it's more like in the range. Yes, it's a range which is dropping. It's more like a falling wedge of some sort. We will see it also in the lower time frame. But otherwise, yes, the market is a bit choppy. So, which might be an indication that the market wants to reverse. Okay. So remember, if it does reverse, it will just be a correction for the weekly so that the market will continue dropping further. So if by any chance I'm taking this a trade going up in this AUD CAD, it will be a counter trade for the weekly. So when will that happen? If it is to happen, let's go to the H4. Yes, now what I was talking about now it's clear now in the H4. The falling wedge thing, as you can see. Um, yeah, yeah, this is the wage I'm talking about. So and right now where we're sitting at the support. If you can see here, we're sitting at the support. Yes, it looks like, yeah, we created a new low here, meaning that this is our highest point. Okay, this is our highest point. So right now, what I will be looking for, because we are either way at the support, I'm not gonna be thinking about selling. I'm gonna think about a potential buy. but the buy will only be possible if we start having some good momentum, let's say from 15 minutes or 30 minutes. If we get some really good momentum first, a good one, before the market fails to make a new low, then that's when we can think about a potential buy. And then we take our profit right here at the top or at that weekly highest point. So, AUD CAD, I am more of a buy also. I am more of a buy than a sell. I can't be selling because we are sitting right on top of the support. So if the market, but if maybe the market just doesn't give us maybe a potential buy, what I'm gonna do, I will wait for market to give me maybe another candlestick of bearish going down. Okay, then wait for market to retest now this level, then drop with it. That's what I'm gonna do. Otherwise, I'm thinking about buying, but as a counter trade. All right, let's go to the next one. Let's go to the next one. GBP JPY. In the weekly time frame for GBP JPY, you can see the strength is very, very, very big. So there's a potential that even this week we will still be pushing up. But the question is, should I just buy here? Okay. And by the way, if maybe there's a potential buy, this level here that I drew should be my first take profit. It should be my first take profit. Otherwise, let's go to the lower time frame and see when can it be the right time to buy. According to the daily, we can see a nice trend here, one, two, three legs, but that's a more like a correction for this strong down move. Okay. Nevertheless, this move in the daily, it represents a bullish move. Okay. So meaning that it's actually lining up with what we are seeing in the weekly time frame, where we are seeing some strong momentum going up. Okay, and if you check here, uh, we actually broke above this high level here, created a new high, and then after that on Friday we see some sort of a correction. But is this correction enough for market to push further up? That's a good question. Let's go to the lower time frame and see. All right. In this lower time frame, what I'm seeing is that the market went up, then it tries to go down, then this shows some poor strength of going up. So according to me, the market is likely gonna first drop to this level right here, this level right here. So this is the level that I will be looking at. Okay, if the market can tap inside here, I will be more than happy to look for some potential buys and then take it up to that level I showed you in the daily time frame, which is actually this one. Yeah. So this is what I'm looking for in the GBP JPY. And then one can say, will you look for a counter trade from here going down here? Let's see how many pips it is. Yes, it's a lot. It's a lot. Around close to 300 pips. So yes, in situations like this, I do consider some potential counter trades, provided they meet my requirements for a counter trade. If you check also in the lower time frame, you will see that we are having a rising wage. This is it's more like a rising wage. So there's a potential for market to come up here, possibly go above this level. Yeah, possibly, and then give us a sell, which this sell will then likely tap inside this level. And then remember, if this happened, if this potential sell happened, it will be a counter trade and should be treated that way. Okay, it should be treated that way. So I might consider this counter trade only because I saw the distance is really huge. So there's a potential to make something out of it. So this is it. This is it with the GBP JPY. All right, let's go to the next one. Let's go to the next one. The next one, NZDCHF. With a weekly time frame for the NZDCHF, if you can see, we actually were trying to push up, but got rejected. But at least there's some minor bullish momentum that we are seeing there. So let's see how it looks in the lower time frame. But overall, you can see this thing. It's really low. So I still think it's ready for a potential a retracement before it drops again. But let's see. Let's see. Let's go to the daily. According to the daily, we had this strong momentum here. The market actually, right here during this move here, the market was actually trying to create for us a new low point. Okay, but it failed. Somewhere around here, we had another strong momentum. So the question is this pair ready to really go high? Is this pair really ready to go high? Because after this strong move, we now again have a strong move in the opposite direction. So is the market ready to go up, or it wants to go to the low point first before it goes up? Let's go to the H4 and see if we can see something. In the H4, what I'm currently seeing, okay, this there is also this trend line, okay, if you can see in the H4, all right, and then there is also this trend line here. Yeah, this one. All right, fine. So here's the thing. I want us to look at it from this point. The market was actually dropping from here, going down. Okay, as we can all see. And from here, we had this strong momentum going up. This is an indication that the market wanted to change direction. Why? Because it also broke a key level, this level here. It also broke it. That's why it's an indication to say, okay, maybe the market wants to go high. But look what happened. The market uh, broke, came, retest this level, failed to create a new high, then now it starts dropping. Okay. But the good thing is that when it was dropping, it did not break this level, meaning that we are still in an uptrend. And at the same time, again, if you check the market around this level, we see that we shifted again to bullish. We were coming down, but we shifted to bullish in this region. And now we see this strong momentum again. So it just add to the confluence that I have that the market will likely go high. And this top level here will be my highest TP. That's if I get an opportunity to buy, if I have any buy setup. So what I'm going to be looking for, it's actually for market not to close below this level here. Not to close below this level. Yes, it can come below. It can come and spike below it before it goes up. It's very, very possible to do this and then go up. Yes, it's very possible. So, which by the way, it's something that I will in fact even prefer if it can do this. So the moment it reaches somewhere here, I'm gonna check if I have any buy setup. If I do, I'm gonna buy. All right. So overall, again, this one again, it's bullish according to me. So I'm not gonna talk about a potential sell because I honestly do not see any sell. Not unless if the market actually broke it and broke this one. So it better broke this one and this one. Then that's when I will start thinking about selling. But overall, for now, I'm thinking about buying. And I showed you exactly where. So it's in fact already in the key level. So I'll just have to wait for the market shift, preferably in the M15 or M30. Then from there, I will think about buying. All right. The last one, US 30. US 30, according to the weekly, you can see the trend is down. So the market now, the market, first of all, it broke this level and then now it's going up. But this break, as you can see, it wasn't that strong break. It's just a minor break. So Normally, with situations like this, the market would likely to retrace deeper. So I think this retracement is not done. The market will still have to go up a bit, maybe possibly close to a year before it can actually drop again. That's if it will drop again. But overall, I'm anticipating a bullish week as well. Let's go to the daily and see. Well, according to the daily, as you can see, the market shifted from here. Okay, when we broke this level, the market shift. Okay, we came back, retest, and we didn't close below here, so it shows that we're still in an uptrend. And the other thing, in terms of the TP, I see a clean, untested level up there. So that level will likely be a nice TP in the future. Yes, it's a bit far, but yeah, it's a nice level. All right. So what happened here? Okay, to be honest with you, also with this one, after this strong bullish move, I never expected the market to give me this bearish one. I thought the market will continue now. Okay. But otherwise, market, this is what happened. Okay. They gave us now this bearish move. So the question is the market ready to go up, or it actually wants to go down first? Let's go to the H4 and see. H4. All right. According to the H4, what I'm seeing here is that the market was coming down, down. We broke structure here, showing us sign that the market wants to go up. And after breaking that level, we never broke this low level again. So it means we're still in an uptrend. I'm still happy about that. And also this one, I see some yeah, I can also do this. Uh, all right, yeah, I do see something like this. Okay, so right now, if I can say, after this strong bullish move, I'm very, very confident that the market still wants to go up. The question is just that will it turn year or year or year? Well, to be honest, I also don't know where it will turn. All I know is that the bias or the direction, the overall direction that I'm anticipating, is up. That's what I know. So for us to know about the key levels, first of all, where we are sitting now, it is also a key level. As you can see, it was a resistance. It's broken, so it can act as a support. So there's a chance that it can turn even where it is. Let's go to the lower time frame and get some other key levels if maybe we can find them. Yeah, the other one it's a bit low. It's a bit low, somewhere down here. Not unless if maybe we also go to what is it, to the lower time frame like M5, but I'm not gonna do that. So yeah, overall, this is what I'm seeing. At the current moment, the market can turn where it is, or it goes a little bit lower, somewhere down here. But I'm gonna be thinking about buying only. So for this one, I'm not gonna do any counter trade. If I was to do counter trade, I should have already taken one, at least at the top. Because now anything can happen. So now I'm just focusing on going with the trend, which is up. The trend I mean in the H4. Okay. So that's it, guys. Let me just do a quick summary so that you get what I meant. I mean, yeah, yeah. Okay. First of all, H4. From H4, this is what I told you. I'm thinking about the bias. It's up. Yes, we were in a range, but after this move, I believe we changed direction now to up. So this is the key level that I'm anticipating. The moment the market arrives here, gives me a sit up, then I'm happy to take it. First take profit, and then second one, at least at the top there. That's what I will be looking for. All right, that's it. And for now, Euro USD, I'm not gonna be thinking about any counter trade. Why? Because we're already close to a key level. So I'm not gonna be. I'll just think about buying. That's it. AUD CAD, according to H4, if you check according to H4, we are in a downtrend for this one. We even broke this low level. So this one, for me to consider it, this one, in fact, it will be more like the last one. last pet to consider for me. Why? Because for me to consider it, it means there must be something really convincing for me to take this buy. And again, at the same time, that buy, it will be a counter trade. So yeah, this one is, yeah, I'm gonna consider it, but not like the Euro USD. All right, let's go to the next one. GBP JPY. GBP JPY, as I've told you, I'm looking at this level here to buy. And if the market arrives here, at least I'll be happy because it will be with the trend of H4, which is still up. All right. So I'm thinking about buying. I will just wait for market to reach here, then I buy. Otherwise, if I get impatient, which is not good by the way, if I get impatient, I will I will actually take a counter trade, provided it meets my counter trade standards or rules. Yeah. So I can take this one. At least it's still at the top. Okay, it's still at the top, and the range from year to year, it's actually long. So I can consider that counter trade, then trend trade. Okay, Nzdchf in the H4, it's clear we're in an uptrend, and then it's clear we have arrived at the key level. So I'm not thinking about any counter trade. I'm just thinking about buying only, which is with the trade, which is with the trend. And as you can see, we're close to the trend line, close to the support. We're close to, basically we are actually at a good level. So there's a chance that this market can buy right somewhere around here. So my take profit, it will be that high. Obvious, the first one should be this one here. The first one, then the second one. That's it. US 30, you can see H4 uptrend. And then, as you can see already, we are halfway to our key level. And by the way, we are even sitting at one of the key levels. So, no counter trades for this one. This one also, what I'm thinking about is just to wait for the right buy setup and then I just buy. Guys, this is it for me. I do wish you all the best for this upcoming week. And always remember, you don't need a lot of pairs to trade. You just need only one pair. Discipline and then also commitment. Those things that will actually help you a lot in succeeding in this business of trading. Otherwise, from me, this is it till we talk again. Cheers, guys.